Clinically proven 72HOUR odor control. Lume is clinically proven to block 100% of body odor all day and continues to control odor for 72 hours. The results are clear. People who use Lume smell better longer. Aluminum-free, baking soda-free, paraben-free, original cream deodorant in a convenient 3 ounces tube. Use a pea-size amount anywhere you want to control odor. Rubs in like a lotion, leaving no residue on skin or clothing. Doctor-developed and safe for any external use. Odor reactions are the same no matter where they happen on our body. Use Lume anywhere you have external odor but wish you didn't. Think pits, underboobs, belly buttons, tummy folds, butt cracks, thigh creases, vulvas, balls and feet. Pair it with our solid stick OR original cream stick for pits. You will be an odor-free powerhouse from head to toe. Unscented, no essential oils or masking scents, just the fleeting scent of ingredients. Top reviews from the United States. Really works and not irritating. I hope they never stop making this because it works perfectly for me. It doesn't have baking soda, which I developed a reaction to in other natural deodorants. This is perfect for sensitive skin. All the irritation and itching I experienced from other deodorants, including supposedly unscented ones, has gone away.